If you do get the Starlink app, once you're connected to the Starlink Wi-Fi, open the app and you can see lots of useful features here. You can look at statistics to see how good of a connection you have. You can see what devices are attached. You can see if the Starlink has detected obstructions above it, and also verify the proper alignment of the Starlink. So let's click on statistics. And you can see here, ping success is 83.3%. That's not very good, and that's probably because right now the Starlink has some obstructions above it. Every few seconds, the Starlink will send a ping to the satellite, and if the satellite responds, that's successful. If it doesn't respond, that means it wasn't able to contact the internet. If you click on the ping success, you can see over the last several minutes when it's had a solid connection and when it's had a dropout. Now, here at 82, 83%, you'll do okay with email and messaging and web browsing. But if you want to have a video or a voice call, we recommend that you check for obstructions overhead and make sure you're getting 99% or better ping rate. Now, if we go back to the main menu, you can see network. This shows what devices are attached to the network. Right now, it's just one phone. Back to the main menu, you can see obstructions. Now, you can see here it says it's calibrating and gathering data. You can use your thumb to turn this map, and each of these blue lines that you see is a path a satellite has taken overhead. A blue line is what you want. These red spots means there was a satellite, but we couldn't see it, probably because of tree cover, or any other obstruction. Now, as the Starlink tracks the satellites over time, it'll take about an hour to complete a good map, and you'll be able to see from this map if you have obstructions that you should worry about. You always want to run the Starlink with a clear sky overhead to the extent possible. And finally, you can look at the alignment. So Starlink works best when it's pointed in a certain direction, usually north or northwest. You can see here, the Starlink is currently aligned properly. Now, it works usually pointed at the sky regardless, but if you want the absolute best connection, make sure you have it aligned. So if you turn the Starlink, you can see in real time, the app changes. So here it's misaligned, but as you turn the Starlink, now it says it's aligned and it's pointed in the direction it expects to see the most satellites. Again, the Starlink app is optional. You can use the Starlink without the app by just turning it on and connecting to Wi-Fi. But opening up the Starlink app will give you useful statistics, and you can use it to make sure you're aligned in the best possible way.